Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I make baked feta pasta. The ingredients are listed below. First is to cook the pasta according to the package instruction. I use the fusilli kind and you may also use ribbon. Next is to prepare the ingredients for the pasta sauce. In a baking dish, add the cherry tomatoes and put a generous amount of olive oil. Put salt and pepper. Make sure to stir it to coat all the tomatoes. Add the block of feta in the middle of the baking dish and put another generous amount of olive oil on top, followed by pepper, salt, basil, paprika, and chili flakes. You may also put garlic cloves. Do not forget to preheat your oven to 200 degrees before baking. Bake it for 30 to 45 minutes. Once done, you may pit all the tomatoes and mix the cheese to make a sauce. Once it turns into a sauce, you may add your desired pasta topping. I use chopped spinach. And finally add the pasta and stir it once again before serving it. Enjoy!